What is a GMO? A genetically modified organism, or GMO, is the result of a laboratory process where genes from the DNA of one species are extracted and artificially forced into the genes of an unrelated plant or animal.
Golden rice was created in 2000 by two scientists, and the first trial was done in 2004 at the Louisiana State University Agricultural Center.
Golden rice is produced through genetic engineering beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, in the edible parts of the rice. There is a lot of debate over genetically modified crops and if their benefits are really worth it.
A single bowl of this new golden rice can simply supply 60% of a child's daily requirement of vitamin A.
There are many positive aspects to golden rice. One of the major positives to golden rice is that it contains a beta-carotene that, when consumed, is converted into vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency-related deaths are a large concern, and golden rice is believed to be able to help avoid these unnecessary deaths in children.
In the Philippines, India, and Vietnam, golden rice can have high economic impact. Not only is the rice beneficial for health reasons, but having golden rice as a main rice crop could help the economies of these nations by opening up new jobs and a new part of the food industry.
Another great aspect of golden rice is that it uses less pesticides and tends to have a higher crop yield in comparison to normal rice. With the use of less pesticides, it has no visible environmental impact from its start in 2004.
Golden rice is a fake alternative to the vitamin A deficiency crisis in some countries.
One major downside is that people may begin to start to rely on golden rice for their vitamin A requirements instead of encouraging them to plant other crops such as vegetables.
Over-commercialization is another concern of golden rice. If golden rice is over-commercialized, it can either become really expensive or it can result in excess rice that could eventually go to waste.
A large concern of GMO products in general is that there are unknown consequences down the road. If golden rice becomes the main food supply for groups of people, there is no telling what the long-term effects could be.
Few GMO crops are discussed as much and misunderstood as much as golden rice is.
Golden rice is modified to produce the beta-carotene in the endosperm, rather than the bran as it is found in most common rice. The hope for this rice is that it can help populations who have issues with vitamin A deficiency deaths, as well as populations who could use more nutrients overall. But in the end, maybe we need less modification to our foods and more modifications to our diets instead of dietary substitutes.
Many people are nervous about the possible GMO effects on future generations, as well as the effects of the land the golden rice is grown on. In the Philippines, where golden rice is believed to be the most beneficial, the rice does not grow in the soil even after